Okay, we're back. We're going to do some 2 by 2 calculations, and we're going to just break this down and understand again that everything is based on the fact you're doing 1 by 1s. You're simply just doing things over and over again. Let's do 56 times 48. Put it there so you can see on the calculator. And when a number is multiplied by 5, you simply cut it in half, okay? And it will be the start of the number. There's going to be a 0 there, so where it comes next, we'll cover that 0. So 5 times 4 is 20. And so you think of 20, and that 0 will be covered by the next calculation. So you do the arch, okay? So you're going to do 5 times 8 is 40 plus 24. That's 64. So now you got 264, okay? So what you do now is you look at the 6 times 8 is 48, and you're going to add the 4 to the 4th 8, okay? So now it's going to be 2688. And that's the answer, okay? And there it is. 2688 is your answer. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 97 times 45. All right. Not too hard to do. Don't worry about the fact it's a large number. Just look at the steps. Okay. So first of all, looking at the 9 times 4 is 36. That's going to be a number. Write it down or keep it in your mind. 36 is your foundational number. Your arch is going to be 45 and 28. Okay. Now, look at that again using logic. Okay. You've got a 45 and you got a 28. So that's going to be 70 something, right? Okay. It's 73 because it just built upon the last number. If you have a 45, there's a 5 there, and then you've got a 28, but the 28 is going to be like a 30 because it's going to go up because of the base 10 from the 5 over 8, which is 13. So it's going to be 73. Easy to do. Now, taking the 7, you're going to add that to your first answer. So you have 36 plus 7 is 43. All right. So it's 433, and now you've got a 3 from 35. So it's going to be 4365. All right. And 4365 is the answer. Again, if you want too fast, just throw this back and look at it again. But that's how you do it. Break it down. And again, you know, I'm not trying to show off. I'm trying to show skills. So work with me. Let's do one here. Let's do 15 times 78. Okay, people get afraid of 15s. Easy to do. Okay. Now, again, there are tricks about 15. You can take half of 78, add it to 78, and things like that. But let's look at the logic. The number is going to be based on the number 7 because 1 times 7 is 7. Okay, so that's going to be what you're going to build upon. The arch is easy to do. It's simply going to be 35 and 7, which is 43. Okay, so you take the 4 and add to 7, so it's 113, and then you've got a 4 there, so it's 1170. Okay, and there it is, 1170. It's very easy to understand if you break it down the way I showed you. All right, let's do another one. Again, we don't have to do this all day. You just need to use some examples to get the answers. Okay, but I like having fun with these numbers. Now, let's do 39 times 48. Okay. Okay. Again, there's things people do. You can look at the number 48 times 40, and then you subtract the difference, which would be 1 take off 48 because you did 1 too many, or you can do 39 times 50 and then take away 2 times 39. Again, that's nice. Those are tricks, but we're using logic. Okay, so our first part is going to be 12. 3 times 4 is 12, and we understand that. All right. So now we're going to do our arch. Okay. Now each part here is going to be, we already see a 36 because 9 times 4 is 36, and then we see 24. All right. Now, when you see a 6 and a 4, you know the answer is going to end in a 0. And I like zeros, okay? So let's see what we got here, okay? We've got 36 and 24, okay? That would be 60. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply add the 6 to the 12. So that's 18. So it's going to be 18. The 0 there, so whatever else comes covers it. So it's 1872 is your answer, okay? 1872. That's very easy to do. So kind of go back and watch that again. But when a number has a 0 in the hidden numbers, I call it, then just makes whatever's next, just lay right next to it. It's so easy to do. All right. Let's do one more. And let's do a 97 times 82. All right. Okay, again, don't be confused because they're large numbers. It's very easy to do. 97 times 82. Again, there's a trick that you can learn from this one here, but it's not for this video. I'm going to show you the logic. We're going to look at 72 as our base number. 72. Then our arch is going to be 18 and 56. Again, you can see how the 8 and 6, so it's going to have a 4 in it, right? Okay. So again, 18 and 56 would be 74. And we would add the 7 to the 72. So it's going to be 794, but now there's a 14. 7954. And 7954. All right? So again, I mean, these things, to me, they're almost just second nature, but you need to break these numbers down as you practice to get these answers, okay? So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to let you just kind of go back and follow. A lot of times people, they tell me, I didn't understand it. Go back and watch it again. That's the main thing, people. When you watch these videos, if you see anything that I show you and it's not clear, watch it again, okay? That's why you can do this. You can pause, rewind, watch it over and over again, write it out, work it out, because it's like anything. It's like learning a second language. You get things if you go over them again. Very important, okay? So I hope that helps you with your times tables, understanding that everything is built upon the one-by-one calculations that you already know. You simply add these answers together over and over again. Okay, thank you for watching, and good luck with your timetables. And please give me a comment. You can always send any comments you want, and if you need any help, I'll be there for you. Thank you. Have a great day.